Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tangerine Academy, your favorite place to learn English with emotion, meaning, and real conversations. Today's topic is one that many people can relate to, especially in families. You always compare me to my brother. In this special lesson, you listen to an emotional and honest conversation between a father and his teenage son, Terry. Terry's tired of always being compared to his perfect older brother. He finally speaks up, and something powerful happens. During this lesson, you will learn how to express feelings and frustration in English, practice emotional, real life vocabulary, discover 7 powerful phrases highlighted for you, answer questions, and do pronunciation with shadowing. Ready to get deep, real, and fluent? Then let's go. Dad, can we talk for a minute? There's something I need to get off my chest. It's been bothering me for a long time. Of course, Terry. What's on your mind? It's about how you treat me compared to how you treat Chris. I feel like no matter what I do, I'm never good enough. You always say things like, why can't you be more like your brother? Or Chris wouldn't do that. And honestly, it's starting to really hurt. Come on, Terry. That's not fair. I love both of you equally. I'm just trying to motivate you. Chris works hard and gets results. You you have the potential, but you're not applying yourself. There it is again. Chris works hard, Chris gets results. You always highlight what he does and minimize what I do. I may not be good at math or science, but I found something I love: music. And I work really hard at it. But every time I try to tell you about a song I'm writing or a performance I gave, you act like it's just a hobby. Music is fine, Terry. But let's be realistic. It's not a stable career. You need to focus on what will actually help you in life. That's all I'm saying. I'm not comparing you. I'm just being pragmatic. Know that that's exactly what you're doing. You compare us all the time, whether you realize it or not. And it's not just words, it's the tone in your voice, the way you smile when Chris walks in the room, how you praise him in front of guests, while I sit there like I'm invisible. Terry, that's not true. You're being overly sensitive. No, I'm not. I'm just being honest. You think Chris is better because he gets A's and plays football. You act like those are the only things that matter. But that not all success is quantifiable. Not everything has to be about grades and trophies. I I didn't realize it came across like that. Yeah, well it does, and it's exhausting. Every time I hear you say, "Why can't you be more like your brother?" It's like a dagger in my chest. It makes me feel inadequate, like I'll never be enough, no matter what I do. Terry, I'm really sorry. I guess I got so caught up in pushing you that I didn't see how I was hurting you. You're right. You are your own person. And you are incredibly talented in ways I've never fully appreciated. Music is your passion, and I should be supporting that. Thank you. That means a lot. I don't need you to compare us. I just need you to see me. I see you now. I really do. And I promise I'll stop comparing. I'll treat you both with the respect and love you deserve. From now on, I'll celebrate who you are, not who you are not. Thanks, Dad. That's all I ever wanted. Alright, here are the 7 key expressions from the conversation, with meanings and examples to help you fully understand and use them. Number 1. Get something off my chest. The meaning is to talk about something that has been bothering you emotionally. Example 1. I've been feeling guilty all week. I just needed to get it off my chest. Example 2. She finally told her boss how she felt. It was a relief to get it off her chest. Now repeat after me. Get something off my chest. Get something off my chest. Number 2. Minimize what I do. The meaning is to make someone's actions, efforts, or feelings seem less important than they really are. Example 1. Stop minimizing what I do just because it's not what you would choose. Example 2. Every time I talk about my goals, he minimizes them like they don't matter. Now repeat after me. Minimize what I do. Minimize what I do. Number 3. Hobby. The meaning is an activity you enjoy doing in your free time, usually not as a profession. Example 1. Painting started as a hobby, but now I sell my work. Example 2. My dad thinks music is just a hobby, but I want to study it professionally. Now repeat after me. Hobby. Hobby. Number 4. Pragmatic. The meaning is focused on realistic and practical solutions, rather than idealistic ones. Example 1. Here's a pragmatic leader who looks at facts, not emotions. Example 2. Being pragmatic, she chose a stable job over her dream of becoming a dancer. Now repeat after me. Pragmatic. Pragmatic. Number 5. Overly sensitive. The meaning is feeling emotions too easily or being hurt by things that others might not find offensive. Example 1. He called her overly sensitive when she cried at the comment. Example 2. Some people are just more emotionally aware, not overly sensitive. Now repeat after me. Overly sensitive. Overly sensitive. Number 6. Not all success is quantifiable. The meaning is success isn't always measurable by numbers, like grades or money. Some achievements are emotional, personal, or artistic. Example 1. Helping someone in need isn't quantifiable, but it's still a success. Example 2. Creativity and kindness are forms of success that aren't quantifiable. Now, repeat after me. Not all success is quantifiable. Not all success is quantifiable. Number 7. Inadequate. Not feeling good enough, lacking value, ability, or confidence. Example 1. He felt inadequate next to his high achieving siblings. Example 2. The constant criticism made her feel inadequate at work. Now repeat after me. Inadequate. Well done. Now, shadowing section. Repeat each phrase after a short pause, trying to match the rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation. Do this 2 to 3 times for each sentence to train your mouth and ears in real English flow. Dad, can we talk for a minute? There's something I need to get off my chest. You always highlight what he does and minimize what I do. Or a performance I gave, you act like it's just a hobby. That's all I'm saying. I'm not comparing you. I'm just being pragmatic. Terry, that's not true. You're being overly sensitive. But that not all success is quantifiable. It's like a dagger in my chest. It makes me feel inadequate. Excellent. Now you will answer 3 questions about the conversation. You will be given some seconds to answer the question and then I will give you the answer. I recommend you to repeat the conversation part again before you go to this section. Remember, these questions are comprehension questions, and sometimes there is not an exact answer, but the main idea. Let's start. Number 1. Why does Terry feel upset with his father? The answer is Terry feels that his father constantly compares him to his older brother, Chris, making him feel unimportant, ignored, and inadequate despite working hard in his passion, music. Number 2. How does the father react at first? The answer is at first, the father denies comparing the two and says he loves both equally. He also defends his attitude by saying he's being pragmatic and just wants the best for Terry. Number 3. What changes the father's mind? The answer is Terry gives specific examples and expresses how deeply the comparisons have hurt him. The father then realizes the emotional damage he's caused and apologizes, promising to treat both sons equally and appreciate Terry for who he is. Great job, everyone! You've just completed a powerful lesson where we explored a meaningful debate and learned 7 essential vocabulary phrases that can really elevate your English. Remember, English is not about grammar and words. It's about expressing your ideas, values, and emotions. And topics like this help you do just that. Your homework? Leave a comment below. Have you ever felt compared to someone? How did it make you feel? Use at least one of today's vocabulary words in your comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us, do you think poor people work harder than rich people? Why or why not? See you next time and keep learning with heart and curiosity. Bye for now.